Brother, come on up here. Let's clap it up for
Excuse me.
All right, give it up for my man Mark.
Yeah.
I always tell him, this brother's so smart. I always tell him whenever I finish talking to him, he makes me want to go get a GED or something. So, guys are good. Before I get started, I'm from Detroit. I'm not that kind of thug you may think. I wear my pants pulled up, belt pulled up, because in my day, you couldn't wear your pants pulled down like that. Your mama kill you.
That's it.
Your pants cost me $15. You better pull them pants up, But I want to give a shout out to a church that wait a minute, I always have to do this because they always ask me to do this. It's one of them hood churches, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I'd like to give a shout out to Holy Corinthian, St. Peter, 1 and 2, missionary, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Baptist Church of Bethlehem. Went to this church and the others had another Texas. Yeah. So I pulled one of the others to the side. What, you got a breakfast problem in the church? She said, no, Pastor just want to make sure ain't nobody bring a change in. So I thought that was good. I didn't know what to do after that. Real excited, just celebrated 7 years of marriage. You just don't know. I love my wife, but she's always nagging me. Always nagging me. Like when we go out to eat, I want to eat too. Things like that. Things of that nature, And I told her, I said, when we first got married, I told her, I said, look, I may not be able to buy you a nice house. She looked at me with tears in her eyes and said, honey, I would live in a cardboard box with you. So now that God has blessed us with a house, let me in. You know what I'm saying? So I'm making, I'm happy. She can't never make up her mind. And she got a little kitten. Oh, I can't stand this little kitten. I kick it every chance I get. I kick it every, because what it would do, it'll wake me up, licking me on my lips. Yeah, and then when I wake up, he's sticking himself. It goes to get the taste of his mouth from my lips. I don't understand that. I don't know. My wife always said I love need more spice, so I sprinkle pepper on it. Y'all will get that later. So I don't know. I see we got some kids in here. That's good. You kids are blessed today because when you get lost, people actually look for you. On my day, nobody looked for me. Boy, you get lost in the store and your mama gotta stop shopping to come find you.
Oh, yes.
My mama still don't know where I'm at. I'm just telling you how it is. I'm just telling you how it is. Yeah, like you said, I'm from Detroit, living in Cincinnati now, and it's a little different than where I'm from and where I live now. Cause I'm from I pulled up out here and I was like, man, I called my mama and it was like, mama, we done came up. That's how bad my neighborhood look. It'll be on my next DVD when I get it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, my wife is she's a God-fearing woman, and I love her. And she treats me good. She irons for me. She cooks for me. She cleans up after me. All of this type of stuff. And I let her do it. I let her do these things. So I have to humble myself to let her clean up after me. How many men do that? How many women clean up after they men and cook? See, that's why I married her. I don't know. Let me see. But yeah, it's just a being married 7 years. I bought cars, diamond rings, clothes, hair. Eventually, I'm gonna buy her something. Down here with my good friend. We was down here yesterday canvassing around. A couple of y'all, I remember talking to y'all yesterday. A couple of y'all, I know today I'm in something driven. I'm up here looking like a struck match. Y'all looking at me like, where's the rest of him? Is that all of him? I know I'm short. my feet dangle. Half of the rides at Kings Island I can't get on. I know that. You don't have to, you don't have to look at me like that, I don't know. But like I said, my name is Thug, true holiness unto God, and I'm telling you now, I'm not the thug that you think. I mean that. I am a man of God. It's not in your clothes, it's in your soul. You see what I'm saying? And I thank y'all for listening to me. Peace.